In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Westpac online banking. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. After you do that, click on the search bar and type in westpac.com.au, press enter. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Westpac. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to log into online banking, it is actually very simple. Make sure online banking is selected over here. If it is not selected, simply click on the drop down icon. After you do that, make sure to select this option for online banking personal or online banking business. After you do that, click on this option sign in that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the sign in interface of Westpac online banking. From here you'll be able to sign in to your account. If you haven't registered for the online banking yet, you can click on this option register for online banking. After you do that, you'll be able to register. If you have already registered and if you want to sign in to your account, all you have to do is enter your customer ID and password. Click on the field of customer ID and enter the customer ID over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your customer ID or password, what you have to do is click on this option, forget customer ID or password. After you do that, you'll be able to recover them. After you recover them, make sure to enter the credentials over here. If you want this browser to remember the customer ID, check on this box, remember customer ID. Now after that, what you have to do is click on this option, sign in, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll have to go through some authentication process, follow through the prompts and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Westpac online banking. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.